Top 10 healthy fruit, besides from being delicious and nutritious, by reducing your risk of colds, flu, eating fruits with antioxidant will help you to feel better and eventually might help you to live longer. 1. Watermelons are about 92% are a good source of vitamins, antioxidants and amino acids. A cup of watermelon has about 46 calories per cup. 2 apples along with its skin are good source of fiber and flavonoid antioxidants. An apple has about 80 calories. 3. Papayas are a good source of vitamin C. A papaya has around 55 calories per cup. 4 oranges are a good source of vitamin C content. A orange around 70 calories. 5 pomegranates are a good source of antioxidant and are good source of vitamins. A pomegranate has around 80 calories per cup. 6 berries like blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries are a good source of antioxidants and vitamin C. 7 cherries are a good source of iron. 1 cup of cherries has around 88 calories. 8 cantaloupes are a good source of potassium, vitamin C, and antioxidants. A cantaloupe has around 100 calories. 9 bananas are a good source of potassium. A banana has about 110 calories. 10 mangoes are good source of vitamins and potassium. A mango contains about 100 calories per cup.